Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today's news is very important. It touches the future of South Sudan, the struggle for peace, and the real suffering of ordinary people. In this report, we will talk about three major developments. First, a former top general and ambassador has announced a new political and military movement. Second, I will talk about work has started to restart oil production at the Eagle Lake oil field, a very sensitive and strategic place. And third, a deep analysis of peace in South Sudan, asking a hard question. Can President Salva Kiir bring peace while his main peace partner, Dr. Riek Machar, is facing trial for something many believe he did not do? Please stay with us until the end because this story affects millions of lives. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let us begin with the first big story. Former general formed a new movement. A very well-known man in South Sudan political and military history has made a bold move. His name is General Wilson Deng. Who is General Wilson Deng? General Wilson Deng is not an ordinary person. He was once the Deputy Chief of Staff for Operation in the Army. He also served as a South Sudanese ambassador to South Africa. In 2020, he was officially sworn in and trusted by President Salva Kiir. At that time, he promised to work for peace and improve the country's image abroad. Many people believe he was part of the system. Many believe he would defend the government. But today things have changed completely. The big announcement. On December 28, 2025, General Wilson Deng released a public statement. In that statement, General Deng announced the creation of a new political and military movement called the National Uprising Army, NUA. This announcement shocked many people across South Sudan and the diaspora. Why did he form this movement? According to General Deng, the current government has failed the people. He said the transitional government of national unity has reached its end. In a very simple way, he believed the government no longer works. The leaders are not serving the people, and the country is moving backward, not forward. His main accusations were General Deng made several strong claims. First, he claimed the economy has collapsed. People cannot afford food. The currency is weak and salaries are unpaid. Second, he mentioned about insecurity is everywhere in the country. Army violence continues. Civilians are not safe. Law and order are weak. Third, he talked about peace agreements are failing. He stated that the 2018 peace agreement failed. He also criticized the Tumani Peace Initiative, and he called these process time-wasting strategies, according to him. According to him, these agreements are only used to delay real change. The First Republic has failed. One of his strongest statements was this. And he said that the First Republic of South Sudan has failed. This is a very serious claim. He believed South Sudan needs a complete reset, not a small reform. And his proposed solution where General Deng is not only criticizing, he also suggests a new plan. Here is what he proposes. The current government should be dissolved immediately. A 24-month transition period should begin. This transition should be led by a chief executive officer, not a politician. The government should be made up of civilian, not military, civilian technocrat, not political analysis or not political loyalists. The military should be led by professional officers. And then he said, disarmament in election. You talk about these two. He also says something very important about elections. He believes free and fair election cannot happen if civilians are harmed, political parties have private militias, so he called for full civilian disarmament. No political party should have army forces. This is a controversial idea, but it shows how serious the situation is. A big political shift happened. What makes this story powerful is who is saying it. This is a man who once stood beside the president, Salva Kiir Mayardit. This is a man who once defended the system. Now he is openly opposing it. He is not alone. Earlier, another senior politician, Deng, also left the ruling party and formed his own movement. This shows a clear pattern. Even insiders are losing faith in the system. As of now, the government has not responded or comment. No official statement has been released by the government. The government spokesperson could not be reached. This silence raises many questions. Let's move on to our second top story. Please, if you are new here, help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Our second top story, oil production at Iglik. This story is about oil, borders, and regional conflict. What is Iglik? Iglik is a very important oil field. It lies near the South Sudan border. It contains oil wells and processing facilities. It is connected to a 1,600 kilometer pipeline to Port Sudan. This oil field is a lifeline for both countries, for both South Sudan and Sudan. Let's look at what happened recently. Recently, fighting in Sudan is spread close to Iglik. The Rapid Support Forces, RSF, took control of the area. Sudanese army forces retreated into South Sudan, and oil production was shut down. This created fear and tension. South Sudan intervention. On December 10, South Sudan made a rare move. It deployed its army, the SSPDF, to Iglik. This was done under a tripartite agreement. The goal was to protect the oil field, not fight. The agreement aimed to keep oil production neutral and safe. According to oil engineers, technical team have returned to Iglik. Power stations have been restarted. Preparation to resume oil production are underway. Engineers confirmed that security is mostly calm. SSPDF troops are guarding facilities. Some Rapid Support Force elements are still present. Despite this, work continues. Why this matter? Oil money is critical. It pays salaries, it funds basic services, it supports the economy. Without oil, both Sudan and South Sudan suffer. But many people ask, will this oil benefit the people or only the elites? That question remains unanswered. Let's move on. Can peace come without justice in South Sudan? Now we come to the most sensitive part of this discussion. The big question, can President Salva Kiir Mayardit bring peace? When his main peace partner, Dr. Riek Machar, is facing trial for something many believe he did not commit. Dr. Riek Machar and the peace deal, Dr. Machar was seen by many as a key figure for peace, a balanced power, a representative of millions. The 2018 peace agreement was built on partnership. Without trust between the partner, peace cannot survive. The current situation. Today, Dr. Riek Machar is facing legal and political pressure. His supporters feel targeted. His role in government or in governance is weakened. This creates fear, anger, and mistrust. Peace is not just a signature, on paper. Peace needs justice, equality, respect, political space. If one partner feels punished or silent, peace becomes fragile. Many South Sudanese are tired of promises, tired of talk, tired of suffering. They want leaders to put people first, not power. If dialogue fails, violence may return. New army movement may rise. The country may fall into deeper crisis. This is why the situation is very dangerous. So South Sudan is standing at a crossroad. Former allies are turning into critics. Oil fields are becoming battle-zone. Peace partners are losing trust. The people are watching. History is watching. The question remains: will leaders choose peace, justice, and reform, or power and delay? At Changfied News, we believe truth must be spoken even when it is painful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Changfied News. Biakamal Guaseme, Bana Rach Kalere Kon Lat Karodian. Kan kono niam ka Changfied YouTube channel, Gorjan Ojin, their channel ready support. Their subscribe kade notification bell dirja twine. Komite ga michi bare Guaseme ba chwamala shubekiji. Bana jo niam bana jelim Guaseme ne. Yala do ne rami mamichi kona former general. Gen charo da chak bon mijidit charo chak pad mijidit. Leraniam South Sudan political and military story che George Gwano take ni di sharen jej. Nere di kel ke self kema yadit te ke president kel. Ramaniam an charo chak pad mijidit chale General Wilson Deng Wek. General Wilson Deng Wek Jen Shirami Momi de Cholano ordinary. Jen Chokona deputy chief of staff, Ray which South Sudan, Kedini SS PDF, a quermedit. Jen Bochakon led a former South Sudan ambassador, South Africa. Karonkin Dangro Jen Dangro, Raja Kwanyala Ramangaske, a self-kim yadit. Jen Gwasidan Chulado Belet Kel Kenekir, Koba Malbajin Ray which South Sudan, alo. Dera mal dera jeri aleka ki dera which South Sudan dera jaga o ba janga je no win mugwa gwade lere terrar ko cholet ka South Africa. Netu ngwan ngat jo jen ram kel kanitin kon into system don kirmi yadit a part of the system. Gwe jen o jen dera system ndana rwa ke kirmi yadi dera janga. Ta dana te rek teke ja wa dera jagang but che jo jen tamen o jen che decision do dien che nyoko me mekeja. The decision me che netu ngwan ba che jako Balo ya lis kane to kona ngat ke kira ki nget kirka ba ka ti cause angum la kane ti ay keje medan nyal de nyal che jen right now che la wudi chal ka me General Wilson Deng ka chanya ndang red badak ka pai waro General Wilson Deng Wek jen te ke jom chalat publicly mi chalinga ne dial ka media che la do ne ke cha announce and o chero de chak bon mi jidit new political and military movement mi che chak ka che cholo ro nene chal ka de je National Uprising Army NUA National Uprising Army a jene bonde ki de neka alo te ke de no chine de wan che widen che jagay dai wi ke South Sudan a men wi dial wi konentarar de na ko ti jeno jena ngum chaka bon mi jidit ka jo chala de Gerald Deng chala do nene a jene government right a kirma yadit a jene che fail ko bi kan netin kon tin la South Sudan bi kan kalar tok a jene nene transitional government of national unity a ci gware tok ka jom te tek mu chala do nene a jene kume chelet entem government right ke kir chelet a jene kon la kwar tikelet ke queen netin kon tintere wi ke South Sudan a jene wuci woni jen ko woni am woni jen ke jog General Deng chela do ne ke tung wan chelat ke che ku me chelat jor ke chela do ne ajene ka gwather which self ke yadi de ajene economy che jek changa kwan cha je longa ko ne te kon la South Sudanese ajene yu ti pega dien che wonial ajene re kontre wi ka South Sudan chicken salaries nikian ke yu ken la kap ko kuma la civil servant chicken yu ken chicken gajek la peda we terial mak jekana yanyo la do ne ba ajene security re wi ka South Sudan te na gwat la wi tiang ko kori ajene ene gwat te ko kor liuna kene larga to ajene ke dinye ajene point civilian shi ka serve ke tele gwami mo de ke te je ko gwada te tin la ka ma ke dinye ke na ke dinye jere which tele mi shalo ngot yera me ke yende ko chaja allow a president self ke me yadit ajene peace agreement shi ka failed en male dane cha ta ke 2010 peace agreement ajene che fail ajene malre na cha nyom lep ke la tuman peace initiative ajene che fail bani so chol jen wone ne me time wasted la time wasting strategies ajene cha time cha de wes ke cha gwan me ber me de male la ke je cha yarje aka jo chalat gwasme ajene tam right now te di ale kono chalat kwa delay ni really change la girdande to re ka South Sudan jene kwa delay ni je ene de kon la kwar kama si de weka kir kane Dr. Machar aka jom chalat gwasme jene first republic of South Sudan che failed ke tele mu gwamlet kane so me chene me de kon ngaje no ramla no chi which fail which mean that take evidence take je ajene nene jene South Sudan gor jeno de nyoko mu ger ke je complete reset de je ger ke lu ajene not a small reform but the whole country should be reset jene gor new reform which ko which je which ko jentel mu gwam le roda so chela do nene general Deng chela do nene che new plan che jere aleka ko gor jeno South Sudan ba nyoma ger ke je tigri chalat jene current government de je dissolve ke lu ba je dissolve immediately lo ene duor ke lu de je gere which ajene gor pas chop jendang ru ngwan ala 24 man milono karun dangraw ko bi South Sudan bro kula ger ala transitional period de je to ko min yokaje ajene en transitional period mo de je watch a chief executive officer ya je der watch a politician kela do na bani ajene gor jeno bineti ko la civilian kane de kon burwich kane de kon pretty albugalat not political loyalist chigane de kon don gor kane jiko jiram mo mela dech ke te jekte ko ken lade goro bitika power kay je jeni che gor ajene en military bo baaji dir waje ne la professional officer chigane de kuy gor baaji waje ne ngay gor bay wike South Sudan ya nyaw raj bako ne ka kuy queen kwar ci ka kuy election ka ajene ko bi South Sudan batike free and fair election baadi di albakar yaleka mishi jene tel mishi al free and fair election ra wike South Sudan maniam ajene de civilian dial ji wike South Sudan de mekin de ka kap ajene nyok de all political parties tinte ka private militias tinte ke de nyiki ni kan to top republican latpin de kapchong jene teram gorgano de te kanu ke de ne do chela do ne gorjeno ba full civilian disarmament ba jalat ba ne dial kontin la jiwu jala ne la normal people ba mekin dial ba ka kap ka ba ne tin kontin no jenne dial kontin la political party ba de yiken dial ba ka integrate ke ba ka wo chicken bill la te kwarken so na me ngote ngai kono no situation ra yike South Sudan tiro dem luang ba te jo me te jalat so men kule la important jene wude mejen gurne me dane salat senior politician ni yal de nyal meche jien pinkir me yadi chit ko wude me arame ngat ke lo yalis ka kir tay dane nyot ko ngwane je kir teten bat ke joga meche benen ba kere meche first vice president Dr. Machar chenin to aje lo ko ne te konde te niam de te konde te pinde weekend we reng Machar che dwer chelat ko jende ko kwade jalat baratama ku kenin ci nyal de nyal chenin ci jarol de ngatam chele mi nyoko nin awajen do badane ngwan wo kene je ka je en rekuma ka kir bone tegne ti jen banere ti la jeran ci bugoro jin buwe ka party ke ka bon Dr. Machar ko gujino dong baji lok wane ka kui jaskare which ka South Sudan jadan chwal ke iglik jen cha nyok mi lep ke je ke ler dan shalat dor chwal ke iglik ne wa cha je lep en iglik te ga border dung Sudan kana South Sudan yen gwad dan tetin wa kam de kenes Port Sudan te ke kilometer te chop ke kit ku dang bakel ke jo dan shalat ngai kon diale NOL fil kien jadamo ajen kule latik ka kan wi dang rotiti Sudan kene South Sudan mitele liet china chicken deko right now ko jo chalat gwas mini me dane chukur me chetok kiglik me rapid support force chicken iglik chicken cap ki chicken control to the ne Sudan army force ala saf chuarodian wo chuka retreat ke chuka surrender you can make india you can come South Sudan defense force ala SPDF no kan wenamo chuajat chuagwar chuaja kapchong oil production chuaja shutdown ke lu ke chuaja gak no ko tirik rumantikin ka changa wel ka pai wero South Sudan chicken move chicken mekan wo big let kill chigaro ajeno ne ba SSPDF ba ka deploy kiklik chukan mo chukan realeka chukan mutual ke tripartite agreement chukan lat alamat nendo to ko big let kill ka jen oil field ko oil field mi chaga ke cha yar de tel mo gwam de tok de economy ba dare jack so chukan mo chukan yat pin right now chala do ken chicken nyoga mutu kene chicken karabunte kone ya yar mena pipeline chicken garaleka ante me ken sha oil production cha nyoga mutu ko je lo bi economy bala stable ka tadan chalat kije so ne me emiritin tini one ne chicken be ganyok mi chaje kulle bantama so ne me der la we kiya lerden gwase me bala dung mal kam dakama char kene kirmi yadit ti cha ti gwase me chala do ne enkir mayadit ke president self ke mayadit jen ba mal be jeno rewi ke South Sudan gwan mi mo she doctor ma char che yen ke tere yena ka tere lok ngai ne dialen dak ma char jeram kel e tan mal ke 2018 e ke figure ke peace agreement jen bo arami mo no gode ne dialde we go do dan gor ke je jen te ke supporter 10 million to gor ke je ajaram e dan e let 2018 peace agreement no ba korun dang di ba de kapchong ajaram e dan e lede baratem right kontem cha dakra ma cha nyomi yan ke tere tijen ke te ga ngwalung to derlat manyam national election ja bene meradien kan potential ken go security arrangement kanalat kan unification of force kanalat ashire medan ngai kona no chikur che to ga nasir chwa first by president chwa je chuyen ala dakra ma cha ken ji kwar dang baro right now te gwalok abalu go mo ba je continue ka changa die ka paikel rankin dangro widi jandangro de kuti lawo ne enkir me yadi be mal be jenu ngwan mi mo tele dakra ma chatin ane de kontre wi ka South Sudan chi chuch ke promise ne ki ke yaj ti cha let kir chi ke chuch ke dialogue ki tok te cha ya ka ti cha gur ke chi ke chuch bane ka kor kon lat krodian karamadan ti ke ki ajen president self ki me yadit so self kim yadi ku question la wona ne me che da ma cha che ku sai line ki che ja bit jen ba mal be non karwade chala do ne me che dia jen mal me tele da ma cha tin che dia mal otherwise wa ku create more problem ki more situation ke future and ana be so ne me chala de no kir there first by president da ma cha tin che man chal ke je ji South Sudan yala no reng ma chara lo ke je ku bi mal be ben ngot kir me yadi che no mo che jelet jen me ne na tama tene to wante tiya ka par medan teten ko cha gujeno ke cha gorjeno bi mal beben gorjeno bi South Sudan be loire kore so jenta dan le rode bana nyo je kala radien mi jiram jidit gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel gorjeno jin de subscribe ko de notification bell je twan ko mi chete mi ci bere da chwa mala shi bukaji ani biya ta kamal bye bye